Other side. Jump. Up. And go. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Okay.
Don't fight. Let's hook tonight.
Okay. Do the 10K, people. Anyone doing 10K? You can start moving up to the starting line, okay? Up to the top here. 5K, stay with us. That's it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Come on in here, ladies. Here in front. 10K, start heading up. Yes, okay. 10K. That's it. Well done, girls. Anyone doing the 10K? You start heading up to the front of the UL Arena. Up onto the road. Well done, best of luck. Enjoy it, enjoy it. 10K, you 5K people? Are you all 5K? 5K, okay, you're there. 10K? I feel like I've just done 10K. Yeah.
Don't fight.
Do you want to do some warm up? What are we doing?
Let's tonight.
Back. Start at the back. Yeah. After. What if you warmed up? Half time? Half 12, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yep. 10K. Anyone running the 10? Start heading up.
You name it, she's done it. She's the reason that women run it. Bet this on a Grammy.
Okay.
Maybe now you're gonna steam.
On 10K, ladies. Start heading up fast, okay?
Your hands, gon' clap your hands, gon' clap your hands to the beat.
10. Anyone?
We can do anything we want, give it up. So live it up, go. And we ain't stopping till we done.
There we go. Do the rocky move.
Go, 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 go.
No. It's not this one. Okay, ladies. Yeah. Go the other way. No pressure. Forward, down, after. Yeah. Pace yourself. 10K runners.